Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Wheels and Wheelchairs Car Show at the South Point Healthcare Facility. And this is the Lid Cam. We went out to this show. It was a nice little show. It was more of a feel-good kind of show than anything because we were entertaining the folks in the healthcare facility, and it was just a nice little thing for them. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Show, so make sure you support this show. October 18th, Rev Out Cancer. Rev Out Cancer. Cause and purpose. Make sure you stop by and talk to Marcus. Right in the lime green Charger. As the residents make their way around in companies, make sure you stop by and talk to them. Hey, so check this out. If you are a business owner out here, stop by Verizon. They got something special for you. Go see Verizon right now. If you are a business owner, stop by Verizon. Oh, all right. $45.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Wheels and Wheelchairs Car Show out of the South Point Healthcare Facility. It was a great show for a great cause. We went out and showed off our cars for some folks that were at a inpatient healthcare facility, and they got to look at some cool cars, and it was just a good day for a good cause. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.